Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the service, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're taking a look at TaxAct, a popular online tax filing service found at www.taxact.com. TaxAct offers a range of options for filing your taxes, from simple federal returns to more complex situations involving state taxes, investments, and self-employment income. This platform aims to provide a user-friendly experience, guiding you through the process step by step. While their free filing option is available for certain straightforward returns, more comprehensive features and support come with their paid tiers. TaxAct emphasizes affordability, often positioning itself as a budget-conscious alternative to some of the bigger names in tax software. They frequently offer discounts and promotions, so it's worth checking their website for current deals. The interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to navigate through various sections with relative ease. They provide helpful resources such as FAQs, educational articles, and customer support options to assist you if you encounter any questions or roadblocks during the filing process. One of TaxAct's key selling points is its focus on accuracy. They incorporate various checks and balances to help ensure your return is error-free. However, as with any tax software, it's always a good idea to double-check your information before submitting. They also offer different levels of support depending on the package you choose, ranging from email assistance to priority support with a tax professional. While TaxAct is generally well regarded for its value and features, it's important to consider your specific needs when deciding if it's the right choice for you. If you have a very complex tax situation, you might want to explore other options or consult with a tax advisor. But for many individuals and families with relatively straightforward tax scenarios, TaxAct provides a viable and cost-effective solution for filing your taxes online. Remember to visit their website, www.taxact.com, for the most up-to-date information on pricing, features, and offers.